Hello dear traders, happy Thursday. It's the 9th of March 2023. As you know, I have been running the new blog for some time now, so I wanted to show you some examples of my analysis. It's now available for like £65 per month. So first of all, please remember, the idea here is not that you trade on the basis of the analysis. It's just showing you my analysis, at each point in time. So basically, like, it shows you the snapshot analysis. And remember, of course, the market causality can always shift, so you need the MK web access if you want to trade this stuff. Do not trade off the block, okay? It's just for you, first of all, as a counter check whether you are doing the analysis correctly. That's one. And secondly, it's also like an additional analysis which you can compare to your own analysis, independent from trades. So every few days I do markets depending on whether I see something interesting. Okay, so let's go through some examples here. 25th of Feb, Australian dollar full analysis. It was past midnight at the weekend. Aussie led a strong down move against the Damani longies, cleared the 200 moving average, and then today the 100-day simple moving average can reach the next long-term stops. Reversed grail pattern. The ones who caught the shorts, well done. The ones who did not, you missed it. Be careful to come in late and expensive, and you protect yourself with the stop. Okay, so if you want to take this short trade, okay, and sell against the down money longies towards the lower stops into the squeeze against the longies, you can do that, of course, but remember, it's an expensive entry, so you need to protect yourself with the stop, for example here above the short-term stop, okay, of the longies, because we are out of the range on the 4-hour chart, but of course the long-term stops are within reach. Yeah, so what happened then on the 8th of March? I made this post, 134, boom. Okay, so it came down against the longies, took the low on the long-term chart, okay, and brought all of these guys into drawdown. And here we have the reverse grail pattern, yeah, on the day chart, clearing the target of the longies. Okay, so that was good analysis. Here, 26th of Feb, dollar cuts, short update about it. So remember, that means a brief update, okay? This doesn't mean long or short in terms of trades. Dollar cut went up against the dominant shorties as expected and still is within the squeeze. Seems likely that it wants to clear the upper area above the highs. So it seems likely that dollar cut would go up further against the down money sellers there, going for this target here on the day chart. That's exactly what happened. Here my post from the 8th of March, 133. Boom. You see? This area has been cleared. The smart money Argus pushed dollar cut up against those shorties. Okay. So nice example as well. Let's continue. 6th of March, Kiwi dollar doing a 4-hour reversal against down money longies. Kiwi dollar did a 4-hour reversal down against down money longies after proper down money switch. If down money longies keep on buying, it will go for the low. Okay, so more green bars, it will go all the way down to the lower channel band and the low. And here you see my post from the 7th of March, a few days later. Reversal completed, yeah, as expected. More longies came into the market after that. Boom. Okay, went all the way to the lower channel band. Nice short trade for the ones who caught it. Okay, so let's go to okay, that's on the 8th. So you see, took the moving average stop of the down money longies. Okay, cleared all of that here, as you can see nicely on the day chart. Okay, euro dollar 8th of March went for the money longies, now pullback but still bearish. Yeah, so went down against the down money longies as shown before, still over bearish, but there can be a pullback as I wrote, and this is exactly what happened. As you can see from my post today, pullback as expected, so further up. But as you can see, if longies come in and buy the market trying to trade reversal up, it will go down again and clear the lows. Okay, the market is sensitive towards the longies, and as opposed to here, just took this short-term stop. So that remains to be watched. 1st of March, cable, another down money switch. So we had first the down money switch of the shorties. I also posted that before. So smart money algos pushed cable up against the dumb money shorties. Then again a dumb money switched from shorties to longies. So the longies think, you know what, it's gonna break that high and gonna go up. So longies coming to the market. So as we know, the smart money algos push cable down against those dumb money longies. Yeah, bearish. Okay, and today the 7th of March, you see the update going for the dumb money longies. Okay, more longies came in. Boom. Okay, it cleared them out. So yeah, I do all kinds of things on this blog. All right, I do some really long-term analysis as well. Even sometimes on the week chart of also minor pairs and other financial markets such as gold and stocks and Bitcoin and all kinds of things. Okay. But remember, yeah, okay, this is not trade or investment advice. This is a blog where, now and then I post my personal analysis as a snapshot at this particular time, okay, for several markets, okay. You can use it to check whether your own analysis is correct or whether there's anything you still need to learn or understand better, okay. And look, if you have questions, what you can do also is you can use a forum. If the blog posts are old, let's say, they're a week old, you can even, do a screenshot and then post it in the forum in case you have any questions about particular situations, okay? Just don't please do that with the new posts, because obviously that's for the clients who are subscribed to the blog. All right. And if you're just learning the market causality, then use these examples to see whether you would have come to the same conclusions. Okay, that's really useful. It's a bit of a fast track for the ones who are trying to learn to trade off the MK web themselves after they studied the video course. So now, it's another tool we offer for the ones who want to either learn as fast as they can, or the ones who don't feel secure yet and want a bit of a counter check whether the analysis is somewhat correct. As you can see, my rate of prediction is pretty good, especially when it comes to, like the 4-hour chart, day chart, etc. Because the market causality is rather slow, as I said before. It doesn't, of course, there can be sudden money switches, like in cable, yes. So that within a few hours, the market structure can switch, of course. But, if you see the charts in front of you, that's no big deal. You see that the market structure is switching. Okay. All right. I'm happy because this blog seems to be very popular. I didn't expect that. So thank you for that. It's really cool that people are really interested in my analysis also. Of course, most traders, they want first and foremost the MK web, and they want to use that in their own way, which is absolutely fine. And if you are interested in how personally I interpret, the market causality and all kinds of markets on different time frames, feel free to subscribe to the blog. All the best. Happy trading.